How to enable or disable motion to wake standby display on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then in here tap on Standby. Next, tap on Display. Then we go down and tap on Motion to Wake. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And here it says Standby will turn on the display when motion is detected at night. So let's say if you have gone to sleep and at 2 a.m. you wake up and your phone is already switched off. So if you move around, the phone will detect motions, and if it does, it will automatically turn on standby mode. And that's it. So after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.